Hi tech lovers, today we will compare TCL X11K versus TCL QM9K. Which is the best for you in 2026? Let's get started. First, display. The TCL X11K offers brightened HDR and better contrast, but the QM9K has more natural color accuracy. Next, gaming. For gaming lovers, the X11K offer low latency and higher refresh rate, while the QM9K support smooth gameplay but is slightly slower. Next, connectivity. Both TV have HDMI 2.0 USB ports and Wi-Fi support. With the X11K have extra ERC support. Next, audio. The X11K built-in speakers are more powerful, while the QM9K's sound output is more balanced. Next, features. The X11K has extra AI upscaling and advanced motion processing. The QM9K offer a smooth smart OS and user-friendly interface. Next, design. X11K silk, ultra thin design, and QM9K is little heavier but sturdy. So, if your priority is brightened display and gaming, X11K perfect. And if you want smooth smart features and balanced audio, QM9K is big. Comment now which one your favorite.